Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Hetzner VPS with SSH and API tokens. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate to your Hetzner VPS using SSH, start by opening your terminal or command prompt. Ensure you have your VPS's IP address and secure shell access enabled. Use the SSH command followed by the username and IP address of your VPS. For example, type SSH root at your _VPS_IP_ address and hit enter. If this is your first time connecting, you may see a prompt about the authenticity of the host. Type yes to continue. Next, you will be prompted for your password. Enter your password carefully, as you will not see any visual feedback when typing. Upon successful entry, you will be logged into your Hetzner VPS. Now, let's move on to authenticating with API tokens. First, log into your Hetzner Cloud Console. Navigate to the API Tokens section. Click on Generate Token to create a new API token. Give your token a name for easy identification. Make sure to copy the generated token as it will be required for further access. Once you have your token, you can make API requests. Open your terminal and use a command line tool like curl to make requests. For example, type curl xget h authorization bearer your _API_ token https://api.hetzner.cloud/v1/servers . This command retrieves information about your servers using the API token. If everything is set up correctly, you should see a response with your server details. You can now manage your Hetzner VPS both through SSH and the API. Remember to keep your API token secure and do not share it publicly. With these steps, you can easily authenticate to your Hetzner VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.